Hello, everyone. This is Haley, a licensed psychologist and mental health content creator with fitnessblender.com. Thanks for taking the time for yourself today to engage in this mindfulness meditation for relaxation and workout recovery. Allow yourself to recognize that you are worth these next few minutes. While this is intended specifically to help you with relaxation and recovery following a workout or maybe even a week of workouts, mindfulness has so many benefits regardless of when you do it. It can help with depression, anxiety, insomnia, and sleep problems, and so much more. People can see benefits even after a single session, but those benefits tend to multiply when practiced, and yes, I do mean practice, regularly. For this meditation, we are going to maintain awareness of our breathing. So let's begin. I want you to start by finding a seated position. This can be on a chair, on the floor, on a pillow or mat, or even on a bed or a couch. Make sure that this position is one that invites comfort, but also allows you to be alert and focused on what you are doing. As you settle in, I want to invite you to close your eyes if that feels okay in this moment. Some people really struggle with keeping their eyes closed, and it can be disruptive to their meditation. If that's the case for you, feel free to keep your eyes open and looking at a wall or floor in front of you. Allow your gaze to soften as you bring attention toward your body. Take in your body sitting here in this position. Notice your body as a whole, your existence in this space, in this moment. Now bring your attention to your breathing. Right now, just notice any qualities about the breath that stand out. As we progress, I'll guide you through focusing on certain things. Know that if your mind wanders, which it likely will because that's what minds do, that's okay. Our goal is not to keep our mind devoid of thoughts, but rather to notice what our minds are doing and exercise the muscle of redirecting our attention. Now that you're a bit into the breath awareness, I want you to intentionally and silently count your inhalations and exhalations. The in-breath is 1, the out-breath is 2, the next in-breath is 3, and so on. Allow yourself to breathe slowly and deeply until you get to 10. If you finish and there is still silence, feel free to start over. Sometimes people find themselves judging their breathing. thinking they're going too fast, or just generally not doing the meditation correctly. Know, one, that there is no right way to do this, and two, the goal of mindfulness is to maintain a stance of non-judgment. This really just means allowing your experience to be whatever it is in this moment, without labeling your experience as good or bad, or fighting against it. Now that you have likely lengthened your breaths and are highly aware of the breathing pace, I want you to focus on the temperature of the air as you breathe. Notice how the air is cool when you breathe in and slightly warmer as you breathe out. Next, I'm going to call out a few places where you can feel yourself breathing. I want you to focus on the sensations of the breath in each of those places as I call them out. First, notice the sensations of the breath in your mouth or nose, depending on how you're breathing right now. Next, focus on sensations in the throat. Now notice any movement, the rise and fall of your chest, shoulders, and abdomen. Again, if you become distracted, that's no problem. Just bring your attention back to the breathing whenever you notice it. Allow yourself to visualize the air entering through your mouth or nose, enter your lungs, and exit back out through your mouth or nose. Picture the air moving through and invigorating your body. Finally, we're going to do a bit of breath work. I want you to intentionally create a particular breathing pattern. It's likely that it will feel a bit foreign and possibly even difficult at first, and that's okay. It will take a few rounds for you to feel comfortable with this. That's all right, just allow it to be whatever it is, and simply do your best to follow the pattern. Please only do this if you are comfortable and able to hold your breath. If not, return to counting your breaths like we did at the start of this meditation. This exercise is 4-7-8 breathing and is used to really help people gain control over their breathing and also to fall asleep. So give this a try if you're ever struggling to sleep. What we will do here is inhale for 4 counts, hold your breath for 7 counts, and exhale for 8 counts. I will guide you through 2 rounds, and then I'll give you a few moments to practice on your own. Let's begin. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, hold, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Breathe in, 2, 3, 4, hold, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Breathe out, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now I want you to pause and take stock. Reflect on how you were feeling at the beginning of this guided meditation and compare that to how you feel right now. Refrain from judgment labels like good or bad or better or worse, and simply notice sensation differences. Letting go of judgmental labels like tension equals bad means that you can feel the tension as it happens and allow it to simply be part of your experience rather than something you fight against, which tends to only make it worse. As this meditation comes to a close, I would like for you to begin to bring some movement back into your body. Move your hands and feet, allowing your awareness to gradually expand beyond yourself. Feel free to open your eyes and take in the room as a whole, not focusing on any one thing. Gradually take in the environment around you and pause to give yourself thanks for these past few moments of non-judgmental awareness. You have just completed Fitness Blender's guided meditation for relaxation and workout recovery. Great job, and have a great rest of your day.